Hi guys, this is Amey Kirtikar and I'm a first year MBBS student at the Grant Government Medical College and Sir JJ Hospital, that is GMC Mumbai. And my first video for 2021 was my resolutions for 2021, and I also let out the news that I'm doing my MBBS at GMC Mumbai. So there in the comment section I got a lot of comments saying that what was the cutoff for GMC Mumbai and for respective categories. So I thought that why not make a separate video on it, and that's why I made this video. I have displayed the cutoffs for 3 colleges of Mumbai, which is GMC Mumbai, that is Grant Government Medical College. Second one is SGMC, that is Seth Gorandas Sundardas Medical College and KM Hospital. The third one is LTMMC, that is Lokmanya Tilak Municipal Medical College and Sion Hospital. So yeah, and the video is divided into the following categories. You can check out, okay, and you can jump to the category whichever you want. I have displayed the cutoffs for all the 3 colleges for all the respective categories, that is Open, OBC, SC, ST, VJ, NT1, NT2, EWS, PH, all of that. And I've also shown the cutoffs for 2019 versus 2020, so you can also make a comparison for them. Go and check it out. Okay guys, so if we look for GMC Mumbai and Sir JJ Hospital, for open category in 2019 the cutoff marks was 601, whereas in 2020 the cutoff marks was 625. This means the cutoff has raised by 20 to 25 marks, and we can see the same for other categories as well, that is OBC, SC, ST. In SC category cutoff there was a rise of almost nearly 60 to 65 marks, and whereas if we check for other categories then the rise is again for 20-25 marks. But for again for NT1 the rise in the cutoff was of almost 70 marks to 80 marks. So yeah, you all need to prepare well, and I guess a score above 625 or 630 will let you into this college for NEET 2021. The rise in cutoff for GMC Mumbai in 2020 can be attributed to the pandemic situation, as the accommodation facilities at GMC Mumbai are quite good because of the huge campus, and also at this college you get to maintain a perfect balance between your academics as well as your curricular activities. For SGMC Mumbai and KM Hospital, we can see that for the open category, the cutoff in 2019 was 636, and in 2020 it was almost 660 to 670. So again, the cutoff here has risen by 20 to 30 marks, and for other categories, the cutoff has risen by almost 60 to 70 marks. Especially if we look for ST category, then the cutoff has risen by 80 marks for sure, and so the cutoffs have risen for SGMC and other colleges as well. So I guess if you want to get into this college, you at least require a score above 660 to 670 so that you can assure yourself of getting into this college. The high cutoffs for this college could be attributed to the education facilities and the academics at this college. This college is believed to be one of the finest colleges in the country and in Maharashtra as well. But all the 3 colleges in Mumbai are top class, and also the one thing to be told here is that the hostel facilities at KEM and Sion are not so good, guys, because the campus is not so huge. And the last college which I'm going to be talking about today is LTMMC, that is Lokmanya Tilak Hospital and College at Sion in Mumbai. Here you can see that the cutoff for open category in 2019 was 600, and that in 2020 was 630 to 635. That is a rise of almost 30 marks. And if you check for the other categories, again there is a rise of 30 to 35 marks min to min, and for some categories the cutoff has even risen by 60 to 70 marks. So if you want to get into this college for sure, then you need to score above 640 to be on the safer side. Also, a quick note that all these cutoffs are derived from the mop up round 3 list, which came out in January 2021, and the previous year cutoffs are available on CET Cell NEET UG 2020, that is the Maharashtra government's website for medicine admissions. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your other pals and your other counterparts who are aspiring for NEET 2021. And also, if you want me to make more of this cutoff video for other colleges like Nayar College and Cooper College and other colleges in Maharashtra, then do comment below. I will make a video on it in the following days. And yeah, I hope you like the video. Again, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share. Thank you.